Hi students, welcome to Narayana PU College. Last session we have discussed up to 62 questions. Now question number 63. If 1 plus root 3, so I root 3 divided by 1 minus I root 3 whole power n is an integer, then n is here. If it is an integer, then we have to find the value of n here. Here 1 plus I root 3 divided by 1 minus I root 3, so rationalize here. So 1 plus I root 3 divided by 1 plus I root 3 whole power n. Now here 1 plus I root 3 whole square divided by 1 plus 3, because it is the form of a square, a plus b into a minus b, I is there. So 1 square minus I root 3 whole square, I square value minus 1, minus 2 minus plus, square root 3 get cancelled, remaining 1 plus 3 whole power n. Here 1 plus, so a plus b whole square formula in numerator 1, so my plus I root 3 whole square. So I square value minus, so root square root of 3 square get cancelled, remaining 3 plus I into 2 root 3 divided by 1 plus 3, 4 whole power n. Sorry, 1 plus 3, 4 divided by here 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus I 2 root 3 divided by 4 whole power n. Here we have to take 2 common in numerator, so remaining minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 4 whole power n. Now here 2 ones are 2 twos are, so remaining is written as like this, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 whole power n. Already we know that minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 value omega, right, omega power n. But n is a positive integer. Second the options here, so 1, so it is not getting positive integer, so 2 is not getting positive, 4 is not getting positive, but the option C here we have to putting the value n is equal to 3. So what we get here? So omega cube is equal to, we are getting 1. It is a positive integer. Therefore the n value is 3. The option C is the correct option. Okay, next question. This question number 64. Question number 64 here. So square root of 3 plus I whole power 10 is equal to a plus ib. Then a and b are respectively. Here we have to find the value of a and b. Now here in this we have to take common I. So when we have to take common I, remaining what we get here? So root 3 by I, we have to write minus I root 3 plus 1 whole power 10. You have to like this bracket, whole power 10 is equal to a plus ib. Now here I power 10 it can be like this, 1 minus I root 3 whole power 10 is equal to a plus ib. Now here, so I power 10 value we know that I square whole power 5. So I square value what here? I square value minus 1 whole power 5. It can be written as minus 1 only. So here, so minus 1 into 1 minus I root 3 whole power 10 is equal to a plus ib. Now here, if we have to find the value of, a plus ib here. So here minus 1 whole power 10. Now I have to applying the modulus here. So okay, no problem. Here we have to write here minus 1. Here 2 we have to divide and multiply it here. So 2 into what we get, 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 whole power 10 is equal to a plus ib. So here minus of, so 2 power 10 into, it can be written as cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3, it can 10 now is equal to a plus ib. So minus of 2 power 10. So by applying De Moivre's theorem, cos 10 pi by 3 minus I sin 10 pi by 3 is equal to a plus ib. Now here it can be written as like this. So sorry, we have to do this method, it getting a very lengthy, but here we have to write a short method here. So I power 10 value, what we get here? Minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 minus I root 3 whole power 10. Now here I have to multiply it here minus 1. So what we get here? So here minus 1 plus I root 3 whole power 10 here. So already we know that the value, so otherwise we have taken like this. So otherwise here minus 1, here we have to take LCM common minus, so what we get? 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 whole power 10. But we know that the value omega is equal to what? Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. But here 2 omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3. Substitute that value here, minus 1 of, so minus of 2 omega whole power 10 is equal to, I have to write a plus ib in right side. So a plus ib, here also a plus ib. Here, so minus of 2 power 10, minus 2 whole power 10, I am getting only 2 power 10 into omega power 10 is equal to a plus ib. Now minus 2 power 10. So omega 10, how to write omega power 9 into omega is equal to a plus ib. So minus 2 power 10, omega power 9 value 1. So into omega is equal to a plus ib. So minus 2 power 10 into, so already we know that the value of omega minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is equal to a plus ib. Now here so minus 2 power 10, so multiplied here, we have to multiply it here. So what we get? So minus 2 power 10, so minus 1 by 2 plus I into root 3 by 2 is equal to a plus ib. So minus 2 power 10 value 512, you can directly, so what we get? Multiplied here, no problem. So minus 2 plus 2 power 10 divided by 2 minus 2 power 10 into I root 3 by 2 is equal to a plus ib. Here that will get 2 power 9 minus, here also 2 power 9 into I root 3 is equal to a plus ib. 2 power 9 value 512, they have given option here only, minus I into 512 into root 3 is equal to a plus ib. You have to comparing the values of a and b. A value here 512, b value minus 512 into root 3. Here the option C is the correct option. Question number 65. The common roots of the equations x power 12 minus 1 is equal to 0, comma x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. But here the common root. So here we have to first have x power 12 minus 1 is equal to. So x power 12, how to write here? X power 4 whole power 3 minus 1 cube. We have to write same thing only. So we apply, we know that the formula a cube plus a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here we apply the formula x power 4 minus 1 into a square. So a square, what here? Here x power 4 square. What do we get? X power 8 plus ab x power 4 plus b square by 1 is equal to, I would like this only. So x power 4 minus 1, here I will take common x power 4, meaning what we get? X power 4 plus 1 plus 1 sorry ma, we can do that method is very lengthy, but here x power 12 minus 1, it can be written as like this, x power 6 whole square minus 1 square. Here the a square minus b square form is there here. Here a minus b into a plus b. You can write x power 6 minus 1 into x square plus x power 6 plus 1 a plus b into a minus b x power 6 minus 1. But here it can be written as like this. So x power 6 plus 1, here it can be written as x square whole cube minus 1 cube. Now here x power 6 plus 1 into, it is a form of a cube minus b cube formula, x square minus 1 a minus b into a square, x square whole square x power 4 plus ab, a value x square, b value 1, x square plus b square. But in both of these, which is a common root here? X square x power 4 plus x square plus 1, because it is one of the equation, which of the common is both? It is the x power 4 plus x square plus 1. The common root is x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the root of this equation. Now it is a form of, it can be written as x square whole square plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0, x square plus bx plus c form. But x square is equal to minus b value minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square value 1 minus 4 into a into 1, 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1, 2. Here x square is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 1 the 4 into 1 into 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3 we are getting divided by 2. So x square is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. But here x square root, here minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 value omega or omega power 4, both are same, omega or omega power 4. But here minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 value omega square. Now here it can be written as, so minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 value omega and omega square, or otherwise omega 4 into omega square, because the options are given, this is like only because plus or minus values are given in question, but we have to take this omega power value also same thing, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, and omega square value also both values should be same, but here we have taken x square is equal to omega square into omega square, omega power 4 into omega square, both values should be same, omega power value nothing but omega, because omega power it can be written like omega cube into omega. Now here, so x is equal to plus or minus square root of omega power value omega square, and the square root of omega square value plus or minus omega. But here the option should be, the option C is the correct option. Check it, the plus or minus omega comma plus or minus omega square. Next question number 66. Alpha and beta are imaginary cube roots of unity. Alpha and beta are the imaginary cube roots of the unity. Then the value of alpha power 4 plus beta power 28 plus 1 divided by alpha into beta. Clearly they have given alpha and beta are the imaginary cube roots. But here I have taken alpha is equal to omega and alpha beta is equal to omega, because already they have given. Here alpha power 4, we want this value only. So alpha power 4, alpha value what here? Omega power 4 plus beta value omega square whole power 28 plus 1 divided by omega into omega square. Now here already we know that the value of omega power value omega cube into omega, we have to omega cube value 1 into omega directly plus omega power, what we get here? Omega square, what we get? 56 plus 1 by omega cube. Omega cube value directly, okay, no problem. Omega plus, it can be written, how to write this one? Omega for 54 into omega power 2 na. The basis of same positive value, we are getting same thing only. 1 by omega cube value 1, we can directly. So 1 omega plus, it can be written as omega cube whole power 18. Check it. 18 3 is what we get? 54 only into omega square plus 1. Now it can be written like this. So omega plus this value 1 power 18 value 1 only into omega square plus 1. It can be written, already we know that the condition 1 plus omega square value 0. But here option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Next question, question number 67. Question number 67. Here, if omega is a cube root of unity and 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 omega square whole square plus 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square whole square is equal to, here check it, here we have to take common 3 only, what we get remaining? So 3 into 1 plus omega square plus 5 omega whole square plus, here we have to take common 3 only, 1 plus omega plus 5 omega square whole square. Now here 3 into, already we know that this value 1 plus omega square value minus omega, because already we know that the condition 1 plus omega square value 0, but we want 1 plus omega square value, 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega plus 5 omega whole square plus, here also 3 into 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega. Already we know that this condition, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, but 1 plus omega is equal to what we get? Minus omega square. Or the otherwise 1 plus omega square, what we get here? Minus omega. Substitute same values here only. So this 1 plus omega is equal to what we get? Minus 3 into minus omega square plus 5 omega square whole square. So here what do you get? 3 into minus omega minus 3 omega plus 5 omega. What we get here? 2 omega whole power 2 plus, here also what we get? Minus 3 omega square plus 5 omega square. What we get here? 2 omega square whole square. Now here 2 to the 2 square value 4 omega square plus here 4 omega power 4. Okay, no problem. So here we have to take common 4 remaining omega square. Already we know that the omega power value omega. So apply this condition, what we get? Omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 we are getting minus 4. Here option C is the correct option. Next question number 68. Roots of the equation x power 4 minus 2x square plus 4 is equal to 0. forms A. Here it can be written like this: x square whole square minus 2x square plus 4 is equal to 0. In the condition x square is equal to minus b, directly I can use this formula here, minus 2 plus or minus b value, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We have substitute that formula here. Here b value minus 2 plus or minus minus b plus or minus. Here minus into minus 2 we are getting 2 only, plus or minus square root of minus 2 whole square, we are trying 4 minus 4ac, 4 into a value 1 into c value 4 divided by 2 into 1. X square is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus, okay, 4 minus 4 4 the 16, 4 minus 16 means minus 12 we are getting only, divided by 2. X square is equal to 2 plus or minus, it can be written as how to write this here, 4, so minus square root of minus 1 into square root of 4 into 3. What we get here? I 2 root 3 by 2. Now here x square is equal to, we have to outside what we get here, 2 into 1 plus or minus square root of I into square root of 3 divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. X square is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3. But here the x value plus or minus square root of 1 plus or minus I root 3. Now already we know that. So here we know that the square roots of the complex number formula, we know that we have to square root of a plus b and a minus b, the square root of complex number. Here what we know, that square root of a plus ib, a plus or minus ib value, we know that plus or minus mod z plus a by 2 plus or minus I into square root of mod z minus a by 2. Substitute, apply this formula. So what we get, square root of 1 plus or minus I root 3. Here plus or minus, first we have to find mod z here, because they are given, so mod z value. So first we have to find the z is equal to what? Z is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3. So mod z value we are getting same value here. Both used to be getting same value. Square root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square. Square root get cancel. Remaining what we get? Okay, now from square root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square. Square root it cancel. Remaining 1 plus square root of 1 plus 3, 1 plus square root of 4. We are getting 2 only. Mod z value 2 we are getting here. Here square root of 1 plus or minus I root 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of z value 2, a value 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus or minus I into square root of 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus or minus square root of 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus or minus I into square root 2 minus 1 1 by 2. Here the value should be x value, what do we get here? So plus or minus square root of 3 by 2 plus or minus I into square root of 1 by 2. Here x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. Here x is equal to another plus or minus square root of 3 by 2 minus I into 1 by root 2. Now the vertex is a. So first root 3 by 2 comma 1 by root 2. What is b here? Minus, multiplied here minus here. So minus of root 3 by 2 comma minus, multiplied minus here minus 1 by root 2. Again here the what is this c? मतलब plus here square root of 3 by 2 comma minus 1 by root 2 and d vertices multiplied minus here minus square root of 3 by 2 comma minus 2 minus plus 1 by root 2 we are getting here 1 by root 2. Now we have to find by using distance formula AB length. We have to first find AB value. We are getting, we are simplifying square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 we are getting same thing square root of 8 only. Again you have to find distance of the length of BC square root of 6. Again you have to find the length of CD square root of 8 and length of AD square root of 6. We have to use this formula, distance formula. We are getting this much only. Again here square root of AC, we had square root of BD, we are getting root 2 only. Now here representing the vertices in rectangle, so we are getting like this, but opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. Therefore we know that the opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, it is a rectangle. So if it is rectangle, option A is the correct option. Option A is question number 69. If x is equal to a plus b, y is equal to a alpha plus b into beta and z is equal to a beta plus b alpha, where alpha and beta are complex cube roots of unity. They are given alpha and beta are the complex cube root of the unity. Then x, y, z is equal to. So they are given clearly alpha and beta are the cube root of the unity. The alpha is equal to omega and alpha beta is equal to omega square. They are given. So it is a cube root of unity, but alpha value omega and beta is equal to omega square. Then substitute the values here, x value here a plus b, y value a, alpha value omega, so a omega plus b into beta value omega square into z value a into beta value omega square plus b into alpha value omega. Here a plus b into multiplied here a into a square omega into omega square, omega cube we are getting omega cube value 1 only, we can write directly, so omega cube plus a into ab omega square plus ab into omega power 4 plus b square into omega cube. So here a plus b, a square omega cube value 1, a square into 1 a square plus ab omega square plus ab omega cube into omega, omega power value omega, so ab into omega plus b square. Here because b square omega cube value 1, we can b square only, a plus b into omega square plus here we have to take common ab remaining omega plus omega square plus b square. Here a plus b a square plus, okay, we had directly omega plus omega square to minus 1, so minus 1 into ab minus ab plus b square. It can be written as a cube plus b cube, because we know that the formula a cube plus b cube value a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here option B is the correct option. Question number 70. If x is equal to a plus b, y is equal to a alpha plus b beta, z is equal to a beta plus they have given x is equal to a plus b, y is equal to a omega plus b omega square, and z is equal to a omega square plus b omega, and we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to. Here x value a plus b whole cube plus a omega plus b omega square whole cube, z value plus a omega square plus b omega whole cube, applying a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square, so a cube, sorry, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, 3 into a square b, 3a square b plus 3ab square plus here a cube omega cube. Here take common, here omega, we are getting outside, what we get, omega cube into a plus b omega whole cube. Here also we take common omega, we are getting outside omega cube into a omega plus b whole cube. So all we know that value of omega cube value 1. Here a cube plus a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus omega cube value 1, we can directly apply formula a cube plus b cube, b cube into omega cube value 1, we can directly a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, 3 into a square b into omega plus omega cube value 1, so a cube, so a cube into omega cube value 3a square b omega into 3 ab square, I mean 3a square ab square b square into omega square plus omega cube value 1, here a cube into omega cube value 1, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square omega square into b plus 3ab square, 3a omega into b square. So here, so a cube plus we are getting 3a cube plus 3b cube plus here 3a square we have to take common. Similarly, what we get here? 1 plus omega square plus again we have to take common 3ab square, so 1 plus omega square plus omega, 3a cube plus 3b cube plus 3a square b, so we know this value 1 plus omega value 0 plus 3ab square, the value also 0, what are we getting here? 0, so 3a cube plus 3b cube. Now this value should be 0. Now remaining we have to take 3 common, remaining a cube plus b cube. Here option B is the correct option. This question number 71. The value of determinant of determinant 1 omega, 2 omega square, 2 omega square, 4 omega cube, 3 omega cube, 6 omega 4. It indicates determinants we have discussed later in second year. Now here we have to find the value of this 1 into first row, first column, first deleted, remaining 2 omega square into 6 omega power 4, 2 6 are 12 omega power 2 into omega power 4, omega power 6 minus 3 4 again 12 into 3 4 12 omega power 3 into omega power 3, omega power 6 minus omega into first row, second column deleted, remaining 2 6 the 6 to the 12 into omega power 4 minus 4 3 the 12 omega cube plus 2 omega square. First of third column divided, remain 3 to the 6 omega cube minus 6 omega square. Here 12 omega will get cancelled, remaining 0 here, minus omega into here 12 omega power 4 value omega 12 omega minus 12 plus 2 omega square 6 omega cube value 1 minus 6 omega square. Here multiplied here, so 0 minus 12 omega square plus 12 omega plus 12 omega square minus 6 to the minus 12 omega square into omega square omega power 4 value omega. Now here plus 12 omega minus 12 omega cancel, plus minus 12 omega square plus 12 omega square cancel. Finally we are getting 0. The option A is the correct option. Question 72. Question number 72. The value of the expression 1 comma 2 minus omega 2 minus omega square plus 2 comma 3 minus omega 3 minus omega square plus so on plus n minus 1 n minus omega square, where omega is the imaginary cube root of unity. So 1 into 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square plus 2 into 3 minus omega into 3 minus omega square plus so on plus n minus 1 into n minus omega into n minus omega square. So it can be written as by summation type, yet r is equal to 2 to n. So r minus 1 into r minus omega into r minus omega square. And putting the values, so r is equal to what we get, 2 minus 1 into 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, we are getting same value. Now here r is 2 to n, r minus 1 here multiplied here r square minus r omega square minus r omega plus omega cube. Now summation of r is equal to 2 to n r minus 1 into r square. We have take in this we have take common minus r. What do we get? Omega square plus omega plus value 1 with omega cube value 1. Now summation of r is equal to 2 to n r minus 1. Now here r square minus r, this value minus 1, I don't know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, omega plus omega square value minus 1, getting minus r into minus 1, we are getting red plus r plus 1. Now it can be written as like this, summation of r is equal to 2 to n r cube minus 1 cube value, the formula like this only. Now it can be written as like this, summation of r is equal to 2 to n r cube minus summation of 1 cube value 1 only, so r is equal to 2 to n here. So it can be written as 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus so on plus n cube minus So here we are getting n minus 1 value. The last value should be n minus 1. But here, so we did that value, we don't do it, they have, did not go getting the value 1 here. Here we have to 1 add and subtract on this term. What we get here? So 1 cube nothing but 1 plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube minus 1 minus of n minus 1. So it can be, we know that the sum of n cube by pi mi, summation of n cube nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. It can be written as this term n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square minus 1 minus, and we did 1 get cancelled, remaining what we get here? Minus 1 only. Here n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 minus n, but here option they are given only this term only. Therefore, this is the answer. Option B is the correct. Question number 73. Alpha is the complex fifth root of the unity. Then 1 plus alpha square is equal to. So we know that the nth root of the unity, nth root of, in complex form nth root of unity, nth roots of x is equal to cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi n. Because in fifth root of unity we have to give the value n is equal to 5 and k value 1. Putting n is equal to 5 and k value 1, we are getting, so x value we given alpha, the alpha is equal to cos k value 1 2 pi by n value 5 plus I sin 2 pi by 5. Now 1 plus sum of fifth root of the unity. So the roots of the sum of roots we have taken, the roots are 1 comma alpha square alpha cube comma alpha 4. The sum of roots should be, we take 1 plus the sum of roots, 1 plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha power 4 equal to 0. Here 1 plus alpha square is equal to minus alpha cube minus alpha power 4. Take common minus alpha cube, remaining 1 plus alpha. Now we want the value of modulus of, we are applying modulus on both sides. 1 plus alpha square is equal to modulus of minus alpha cube into 1 plus alpha. So here, how do you know the alpha value? 1 minus alpha cube, the value should be 1. Here, so modulus of minus alpha cube into 1 plus alpha, it can be written as, so modulus of minus alpha cube, we can write modulus of alpha whole cube into modulus of 1 plus alpha. So modulus of alpha, already we know that modulus of alpha value. So modulus of alpha is equal to square root of cos square 2 pi by 5 plus sin square 2 pi by 5. So that value should be modulus of alpha is equal to 1. So it can be written as 1 cube into 1 into modulus of 1 plus cos 2 pi by 5 plus I sin 2 pi by 5. Here already we know that 1 plus cos theta value 2 cos square theta by 2. Here modulus of 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 pi by 5 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, remaining pi by 5 plus I into sin theta value 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. But here I into 2 sin 2 pi by 5 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, pi by 5 into cos 2 pi by 5 by 2, pi by 5. Here 2 cos pi by 5 we have to take common, remaining cos pi by 5 plus I sin pi by 5 modulus 2 cos pi by 5 cos pi by 5 plus I sin pi by 5. Now we made this value 1 because square root modulus of this value square root of cos square pi by 5 plus sin square pi by 5 value should be 1, remaining 2 cos pi by 5 into 1. We are getting 2 into cos pi by 5. Option A is the correct option. 1 comma omega 1 comma omega 2 so on omega 6 are 7th roots of unity, then imaginary part of omega 1 plus omega 2 plus omega 4 is equal to, here 1 omega 1 omega 2 omega 3 omega 4 omega 5 omega 6. Here so omega 1 and omega 6 are conjugate to each other, omega 2 and omega 5 are conjugate to each other, omega 3 and omega 4 are conjugate to each other. Here omega 1 and omega 6 are conjugate to each other, omega 2 and omega 5 are conjugate to each other, omega 3 and omega 4 are conjugate to each other. But here omega 7 value, 7th term should be omega 7 value 1. Now we have to find the imaginary part of this one. So imaginary part of this one, omega 1 plus omega 2 plus omega 4. Then alpha plus I beta is equal to sum of omega 1 plus omega 2 plus omega 4. The conjugate of this one, alpha minus I beta is equal to, the conjugate of omega 1 is omega 6, the conjugate of omega 2 is omega 5, the conjugate of omega 4 is omega 3. You have to take this equation number 1 and this equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2, adding 1 plus 2, getting, so all I plus I beta minus beta get cancelled, remaining 2 alpha omega 1 plus omega 2 plus omega 4 plus omega 6 plus omega 5 plus omega 3. Okay, 2 alpha, here the value omega 1 plus omega 2 plus omega 4 is the conjugate of omega 6 plus omega 5 plus omega 3. The sum of the conjugate numbers we are getting minus 1. Now alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. So multiply 1 and 2. Multiply 1 and 2. We get alpha plus I beta into alpha minus I beta is equal to omega 1 into omega 6, you get right, omega 7 plus omega 2, okay, no problem, you can write alpha, right, alpha plus I beta value and alpha minus I beta value. So multiplied here, omega 1 into omega 6 plus omega 1 into omega 5 plus, we can multiply, that is the length meter, we can write directly. So omega 1 value, this means omega, so omega 2 value omega square, omega 4 value omega power 4. So omega power 1 into omega power 6, so omega power omega is 7, omega 1 into omega 5 plus omega 6, omega 1 into omega 3, omega 4 plus omega 2 into omega 6, omega 8, omega 2 into omega 5, omega 7, omega 2 into omega 3, omega 5 plus omega 4 into omega 6, omega 10, omega 4 into omega 5, omega 9 plus omega 4 into omega 3, omega 7. Here, so omega 7 value 1 plus omega 6 plus omega 4 plus omega 8 value omega 7 into omega, we have right, omega 1 plus omega 7 value 1 plus omega 5 plus here omega 7 into, we have right, omega 7 into omega cube, get omega 7 value 1 at omega cube plus omega 9, so omega 7 into omega 2, I get right, omega 2 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, we are getting 3 plus omega 1 plus, we have to find the value of omega 1 plus omega 2 plus omega 4. So omega 6 plus omega 4 plus so we can write orderly omega 1 plus omega 2 plus omega 3 plus omega 4 plus omega 5 plus omega 6. So alpha plus I beta into alpha minus I beta, we are getting alpha square plus beta square is equal to 3 plus, so we are getting the sum of the cube root should be getting minus 1, you can write directly minus 1. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to 3 minus 1, 2, but we know that the value alpha square here 1 by 2 whole square plus beta square is equal to 2. So beta square is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. Now beta square is equal to, we take LCM 4, remaining 4 2s are 8 minus 1, 7 by 4. We want the beta value, beta is equal to square root of 7 by 2. So here option C is the correct option. So remaining questions, do yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me or come with college.